Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm doing an unboxing, brief assembly, and video review on this Broadmoore King storage bed. I believe it's a rose line. It's very heavy, and I couldn't even get the box in my house. This is the model with the drawers. The drawers are slow close, real drawers. This was $599.99 at the warehouse. It was $799.99 online, but the online price does include delivery and assembly. It was actually pretty heavy to get into the house. I loaded it into my minivan, and it was, yeah, we definitely earned every bit of that $200 that we saved. So the drawers are pretty nice, pretty firm. They're slow close. This is an initial quality review, so I can't really speak to their longevity, but I will do a follow-up video. But yeah, so far, the quality, pretty happy. Oh, there's leftover parts. I did have one problem with the drawer mechanism there. After assembly, the right drawer would not open. I'm just showing here the left drawer's right track to kind of show you how that works. And you can see the difference here. This is the right drawer's right track, and there's a little piece of plastic blocking that hook from exiting that should have been removed during manufacturing. See the little plastic piece right there? I broke it off with a steak knife, and so now there's nothing keeping that trapped in there. So get that out of the way. It's a defect of the manufacturing process. This wasn't broken away cleanly. There we go. Focus camera. There we go. Now it tracks. Other than fixing that track, assembly was actually pretty easy. It took me about an hour. I did most of it alone. My wife helped me with some parts, but yeah, pretty easy. The whole front drawer part is one solid piece that you don't have to really put together. All the parts are clearly labeled. The diagrams are very clear. I don't think I've seen this good of instructions. I'm not going to show a step-by-step assembly just because, yeah, it's hard enough to do stuff with a kid, but the parts, like, look at these instructions. You can't really get any clearer. I don't really know what these dowels are doing. They kind of are the loosest dowels I've ever seen. It's one side either, it's both of them. I've never seen dowels that didn't pressure fit. I mean, they're normal on this side. They fit like normal dowels. All right, after putting it together, I had way more extra parts than the manual said. It said you should have one extra of each, but I actually had like 4 extra of the AA, and I've double checked on this King everywhere where it could go, and it looks like they changed the design, but they didn't change the bolts that they give you, probably just because they already had them. But there's 2 holes back here that there's nothing that it mates to. See those 2 holes there? 1 and 2. There's nothing on the other side for it. So they must have had a different design of this previously. And I also noticed on some of these on the internet, instead of slats, there's like a whiteboard here. So definitely 2 variants of this rose bed. But yeah, other than that drawer issue, I think it's pretty nice. I slammed this right into the wall, of course, when I took it out. Time to put the bed on there. Alright, so we went back to the store and got a new bed. This is the Highland, I think. There's a little bit of gap there between the bed and the frame. So it looks like it's actually a little bit bigger, or maybe this king bed is just a little bit smaller. Let's go ahead and measure. So the actual interior space left to right is 77 inches. And the length is about 80.5. The drawer width is 33 inches. The drawer depth is about 15.25. And then the drawer height is a 7 3/4. So the height of the headboard is actually 53 1/8. So we spent a week in it. No real problems with it. Drawers have been functioning fine. I have stubbed my toes a few times because I'm used to getting out of bed and then walking and not having a beam here before the bed ends. So that's just like a me issue, I think. But yeah, no problems with it. My son's been jumping on it. It doesn't move at all. Very sturdy. We went ahead and attached our Lutron lights to it so we can control the bedroom light. Yeah. Not a bad bed frame. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Thanks for watching.